Would you love to be able to say the words like sit, go, eat, let's talk, let's go, keep quiet? Wait a minute in Yoruba language. Hey there, you're welcome to my channel. This is Learn Yoruba with Olabisi, a channel where you get to learn everything about Yoruba language. And in this video, I'm going to be learning the commands in Yoruba language. So sit tight and let's learn together. And click the subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe. Thank you. Just as you already know that the commands are words that are used to give instructions, advice, commands, directions, and so on. So we're going to be diving into few of it, and maybe you have a part 2 for it. The first one is sit, joko, joko. And if you want to talk to the person politely, you say ejoko, ejoko. Sit is the same thing as sit down in Yoruba language, same thing. So sit down, sit, joko, ejoko. And now you want to say go, lo, politely, hello, hello. Give me, fún mi. Give her, give him, fún. Politely, fún wọn. And if you're talking to more than one person too, like 2, 3, 4, 5 people, you say fún wọn, fún mi. Ẹ fún mi, ẹ fún wọn, ẹ fún. Sleep, sùn. Go to sleep, lọ sùn, ẹ lọ sùn. Keep quiet, dákẹ́. Keep your mouth shut, dákẹ́ ẹnu ẹ, ẹ dákẹ́. Má sọ̀rọ̀, don't talk. Má sọ̀rọ̀. Leave me, fi mí sílẹ̀. Leave me alone, fi mí sílẹ̀. Leave her alone, fi sílẹ̀. Leave him alone, fi sílẹ̀. Leave them, fi wọ́n sílẹ̀. Leave here, kúrò níbí. Leave, kúrò. Are you learning? Shout out to Steven from Sierra Leone. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. I really hope you are learning. Thank you. If you want me to do a shout out to you, tell me where you are watching from. Comments where you are watching from, and tell me what you would like to learn next. Okay, you're welcome back to class. The next one right now is stay here. Dúró síbí. You know the other time leave here. Kúrò níbí. Good. So stay here. Dúró síbí. Ẹ dúró síbí. Don't leave. Má kúrò níbí. You know, leave here is kúrò níbí, right? So má kúrò níbí. Don't leave here. Stay here. Má kúrò níbí. Dúró síbí. Stay. Dúró. So dúró síbí. Stay here. Take. Gbà. Take this money. Gbà owó yìí. Take. Then we are talking about maybe take your shoes off, take your clothes off. Then you not say gbà. You say bọ́, because you are taking it off, not, you know. So bọ́, take your shoes off. Bọ́ bàtà ẹ. Take your clothes off. Bọ́ aṣọ ẹ. Ẹ bọ́ bàtà yín. Ẹ bọ́ aṣọ yín. Forget it. Gbàgbé ẹ. Forget, gbàgbé. So forget it. Gbàgbé is also a slang in Yoruba land, like ẹ gbàgbé jọ̀ọ́, ẹ mójú kúrò. Gbàgbé. Don't forget. Má gbàgbé. Don't forget the keys. Má gbàgbé kọ́kọ́rọ́. Now let's go. Jẹ́ ká lọ. Let's go. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ. If the person you are talking to is more than one person, or you want to talk to the person politely, so you say ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ instead of jẹ́ ká lọ. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sí ilé. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sí restaurant. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ jẹun. Let's go and eat. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ jẹun. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sùn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sùn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sí restaurant. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sùn. Close the door. Close itself, it's T. So close the door. Tilẹ̀kùn. Close it. T. Close the door. Tilẹ̀kùn yẹn. Close that door. Tilẹ̀kùn yẹn. Ẹ tilẹ̀kùn yẹn. Don't touch it. Má fọwọ́ kàn. Don't touch it. Ẹ má fọwọ́ kàn. Don't touch me. Ẹ má fọwọ́ kàn mi. ẹ má fọwọ́ kàn mí, don't touch my food, ẹ má fọwọ́ kan oúnjẹ mi, má fọwọ́ kan oúnjẹ mi, don't touch my money, má fọwọ́ kan owó mi, má fọwọ́ kan owó mi. Speak up, speak up. Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè, sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. This was once a popular slang in Nigeria. Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè, speak up, sọ̀rọ̀ sókè, ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ sókè, ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. Don't be quiet, má dákẹ́, sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. When someone is angry or upset, I am like, calm down, chill, chill, ní sùúrù, farabalẹ̀, ní sùúrù, farabalẹ̀, ẹ farabalẹ̀, ẹ farabalẹ̀, ẹ ní sùúrù, ẹ farabalẹ̀, ẹ ní sùúrù. If you are still here by now, that means you are learning and you are enjoying this video. So I would like you to please tell me where you are watching from. Tell me what you like to learn next. Tell me other commands you like me to make a video on in the next video. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Like, share to your friends and families that are interested in learning Yoruba. And yes, I tutor one-on-one online. Yes, so if you are interested in tutoring, in personal tutoring, that will be more detailed than this video, kindly reach out to me. My mail should be on the screen right now, or go to my bio and check my mail. Send me a mail. And if you have any other Yoruba language related projects, hit me up. Thank you. I really hope you love this video. Let me know in the comments. Bye bye. Odabo, Onifeyin. Subscribe. Yeah, I also say comment and subscribe.